Hello, Chef here, and once again I'm in one of the kitchens cooking. I thought I would share with you what's going on here. So I've got these beautiful pieces of beef. These are sirloin steak cuts. I'm going to be portioning them up into smaller steaks, and these will be like top butt steaks. All right, USDA choice. It's a very good grade, probably what you're finding in the store, depending on where you are in the world. So anyway, this is a good cut of meat. You can see the marbling's very nice. There's a little bit of fat that needs to be removed here, trimmed a little bit, and just follow along. I'm using a few things here today, okay? Garlic, oh yeah, I love garlic, nice. Next step, we're using a tenderizer. 48 blades, stainless steel. Does a few things. Main thing is, tenderizes. Okay, do each one of these, repeat. Okay, these steaks are looking really good. I'm going to move them out of the way, and I get ready for my garlic and my dry rub. So for the garlic, what I like to do is just give it a smash. And your sponsor supplies a lot of barbecue pit masters with all kinds of different tools and things. These are two of them here. This is a small stainless steel spice shaker. Two things I like: smooth, easy to clean, and holds a lot. Pure stainless steel, 1810 gauge, really nice stainless steel. And a taller one. I believe the small one holds like maybe 12 ounces and the bigger one holds 20 ounces. But anyway, I like it. Nice, sleek profile, easy to clean, tall, holds a lot. I like the taller ones. Anyway, the pit masters usually go for this one. So today I've got something special here for you. Oh, look at that. That is New Mexico smoked chili powder. And if you could smell it through the bag, you'd be going, wow, that's amazing. Whatever you like. I put a few ounces in there. It's good to go. I'm gonna grab a plate and show you just how nice it is to have a shaker. The control aspect. Look at that. Going right down the middle of the plate. Okay. Really, really nice, good control. That's it. That's the whole review. Watch the next video. I'll be back with more. Great for commercial applications too. Maybe you're working a busy butcher shop and you want to keep some skinning knives on here like this. These are pretty cool. Maybe a couple up, a couple down. Wow. I kind of like that setup. It's pretty nice. Check it out. These are all available on your sponsor. And please like, share, subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Keep cooking. Yeah. Chef here, back in the kitchen. I thought I would share with you the marinated steaks, and we're going to real quickly look at these. These have been marinating now for a few hours in the refrigerator. We're going to look at them a little bit closer and try to determine how much that marinade has actually penetrated into the steak. So we've got the dry rub on here, garlic, wine, splash of balsamic vinegar. I'm going to just give a cut about 1 inch into the steak. Let's take a look up close. Here we go. Yeah, look at that. I like it. Well, I would say that marinated has penetrated in about 1/8 of an inch. Yeah, pretty cool. Please leave a comment on this and tell us your thoughts. And would you try this? And do you like this? Yeah. Subscribe, like, and share. More recipes to come. And the finished pan-seared steak was really, really good. Super tender. Oh, look at that steak. How does it look to you? Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
Alright, what do you think about it?
Okay, what do you think? Nice. Alright, that's the video. Get cooking. They're having some sales on there and some good deals. You can't go wrong. This block here is over 10 years old. Yeah, very, very sharp. Okay, it's not even puncturing my thumb here. Okay, really, really nice. So if you're looking for the good stuff, right there, your sponsor.